Good evening, everyone. How are you all? So, we've been doing crypto now for a week, this channel, and I just want to reflect on we've pretty much nailed it for the week. We called on Sunday there's going to be a breakout in the next 48 hours. It's most likely going to be on the Monday when the big money returns. And it happened. It dumped down. We said, watch out for the fake out. Bitcoin likes to fake out a lot of time. Hits rock solid support. We mentioned 1, 2, 3 areas of support. Confluence, which makes it basically triple glazing. So we said this is a good area to bounce from. We also spotted the bullish divergence, saying this move isn't done yet. We've got bullish divergence and it's a strong wick and it's closing above the fib level again and it's pushing up. So it's like for the first week of the YouTube channel, I think we've done well there. So let's hope that continues. Our original plan was for it to push up, and we think it's going to take the liquidity here. Because you can see in the 3-day, it's starting to build up liquidity at on the longs. So the longs are starting to open, they're getting bullish. But this liquidity, I said it from the start, it's going to come back to at least get this and then decide where to go. So it's going to come up. So our plan was to come up here, hit this liquidity here, tap that, and then from there the market's going to decide what to do. And if enough longs open up, like I was saying, it's going to come down and take that, and then maybe move from there. But if it's taken enough, and it moves up. It's like when you've had your main course. Can I fit a dessert in? Can I not? Sometimes you just go, that's enough, that's me off. Sometimes you want to come back and get that dessert. So, things are playing out as we plan. We're at the top of the range now. So let's see the sweep over, and then from there, we'll decide what to do. But the positive thing here is others, which is the alt market here. Look at that. That's moving 3 to 4x of Bitcoin. This is what we like to see. Look at this move from others. So this means alts are outperforming Bitcoin. This is basically when we start making money, especially if you're in altcoins like myself. So, recap again. I recap it every single day because this is the most important chart. The wedge is in. We're sound. We're going to break down into here. So it's come up, it's retested the wedge, 1, 2, 3, 4, all holding above the bull market support band, holding this triangle, and this is getting ready to break. This is bullish. This is just the coiled spring. Sometimes you push a spring and it releases. We're pushing the spring right down to the point where you can't push anymore. Look how close it's getting to this wedge. So when this decides to go, it's going to go. And if we look at Bitcoin dominance, look at this. If you've been listening to me this week, I was calling for either a double top, I even have the old notes there, daily RSI divergence. I've kept this note here to say, just keep your eye on this. So RSI is going a higher high. Look here. You got to zoom in for this. It's made a lower low. So this is bearish divergence. You can see the chart coming down. Because Bitcoin dominance is now reducing, less people are in Bitcoin, which then moves, people swing from Bitcoin into the alts. So, I was saying this trend line, plus that double top, I even marked it and circled it. It's like that is going to be a strong, even if it wicked up there, that's going to be like the double glazing. It's going to wick up there and hit it. So now let's rejecting hard off this. Look at this rejection. This is what we want to see, and this is what's pumping the alts. So if we keep this moving, we've got a high, lower high, lower high. So we want to start seeing this move down, and as this starts moving down, we're going to see the alts start moving, and that's what's setting the alts off for now. So let's keep our eyes on this. Let's not get too excited, but we're definitely getting close. Let's have a look here. The descending triangle on the weekly. Look at the wick it's just put in. This breaks down 70% of the time, roughly. And it's getting very close to this edge as well. When this dumps down, alts go flying. That's simple as that. Bitcoin dominance goes down. USTD dominance goes down. Alts and Bitcoin go flying. So, how are... Yeah, liquidation's looking good. The only thing I would say here is the volume is decreasing. So, is Bitcoin going to get to the top? Get that top, volume decreasing. So how's it going to pump without that volume decreasing? Without that volume increasing? So Bitcoin's going up, but the volume's going down. See, it doesn't quite add up. So I think it's going to take this liquidity and then it'll decide. But if that gets an all-time high, if you listen to my previous videos, if this breaks the all-time high, people are going to get... they're going off on it. They're selling their granny and her bloody bag. You know, that's going. But will that just open enough longs you can start seeing them build up now? If you go into, say, the 3-day, you can see these longs starting to build up. Now, depending on how much builds up there, it'll decide whether to go back down. But I think we're going to get the top of this range in a sweep, and then from there it'll decide. But very good sign looking here. Bitcoin moving up, alts are pumping up. Let's just hope we get the breakthrough now from this wedge, because it's going to break this channel. It's going to break sooner or later. So it's just a matter of when. So you can see it tap up and it goes all the way down. Doesn't even make up all the way down. It taps up there, doesn't make it all the way down. It rebounds straight off the half, 50%, and it's back up to the trend, back up to the top of the range. See, previously, straight down, but now it's bought straight back up and shot back up there. So this is looking good. We'll take it day by day. I'm here day by day. We're going to guide this through, and we're going to make some money, guys. Nice one. Like and subscribe. Post a comment if you want to see some alts charted for you. I'm going to chart them for you, and we'll be back again tomorrow. Nice one, guys. Cheers. Bye.